Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 course lagging freezing issue. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will show a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. First of all, select a mouse and other pointing devices. Select your mouse device. Right click on update driver. First of all, click on a search automatic driver from computers. Automatic, click on search for updated driver on Windows Update. So download and installing if any updates available. So in my case is already downloaded. It is 7%. So download and install any updates or updated driver. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Click on a mic and other pointing devices. Select a mouse. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer. Select a let me pick from a list available driver on my computers. Select your model device. Click on the next button and click on close button. And after doing this, that restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select a mic and other pointing devices. Select a mouse, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.